do a video. Here's my friend Richard. He's back camping and he's showing me what he got in Arizona.
Look at that. Isn't that funny?
Look at what he got in Arizona metal detecting this winter. Wow, that's nice, buddy. Yeah, that's really cool, man. That was kind of like that one in the picture I got that was like a nail. Oh yeah, this one's really pretty. It's got the quartz in it right there.
Well, look at this one. It's the quartz in it. You got to look at it, but it's full of quartz.
Right. Look at this little guy here. He's really...
Well, I smacked it with a hammer. A guy was saying, how do you know it's gold? How do you know it's gold? And I kept telling him, so I hit it with a hammer. I said, don't do that.
What do you think? There's at least an ounce there?
Ounce and a quarter.
There's an ounce and a quarter of nuggets. Pretty nice. Where'd you find all these at?
In the desert, Arizona.
Whereabouts in the desert?
Kingman.
Huh?
At Kingman.
Kingman, Arizona. Here's his trailer. Richard and T-Bone. Now I'll just do a quick picture. Stop it.